This is Craig Hoover in his car. Hello, Craigie.
Fuck off. Boy.
Do you want to do my car?
Okay, you can do it yourself. Oh, the bloody guy.
You ought to get underneath them seats and all. Fucking hell. This is the messiest car I've ever seen.
10p.
Oh well.
Thinks she is a fucking messy.
Well, mine was always clean.
Right?
4? What is it for?
I don't know. What?
Nah.
Nice.
Hey! I didn't know Hetty wanted to give you a blowjob.
God, hell. Hey, Tate. Bloody hell.
No, she really does suck. Look at that transformation already. Hey?
Look at the bloody dust on the dash. That'll be done last. So bloody right.
Fucking hell. And you lost your diesel.
That'll be sprayed after.
Good luck. But that's beside the point.
Oh shit!
What?
I just turned up my duster! Holy shit!
Hetty has hoovered your duster up.
Yeah, I need that car. Get it out first!
Oh no!
Get it out first, I really need that duster!